So the Conservation Effects Assessment Project, or CEAP for short, is a multi-agency national effort being led by the USDA's Natural Resource Conservation Service, attempting to understand the benefits of agricultural conservation practices and programs. This particular project is part of the wildlife component of that effort, which is seeking to quantify the environmental benefits of these practices and programs, and provide a science base for helping to manage agricultural landscapes in a more environmentally sustainable manner.
There are 5 key questions that the Conservation Effects Assessment Project's addressing within the Western Lake Erie Basin. The first is how much additional conservation practices are needed to improve stream quality and water quality. The second is where in the watershed are these practices going to be most beneficial and cost effective. The third is how much financial investment might be needed to accomplish the goals that we're trying to accomplish with regards to water quality and stream health. A fourth deals with are there win-win situations that we can get by implementing agricultural conservation practices for both Lake Erie and the stream communities within its watershed. And then the last, and is part of getting to this win-win situation, is trying to understand where in the watershed would these conservation practices be most beneficial.
So our particular research project, which is focused on the Western Lake Erie Basin watershed, is assessing water quality at the stream scale. And the primary goal of this project is to improve our understanding of how water quality benefits associated with agricultural conservation practices. They also benefit stream biodiversity. This is an important question because the Western Lake Erie Basin is among the most biologically diverse watersheds in the Great Lakes region. But unfortunately, water quality and biodiversity is highly impaired in this watershed, owing in large part to nutrient and sediment runoff that's occurring within the watershed. So ideally, this project's findings are going to be used to help guide conservation policy development and program development, and help conservationists, farmers, and managers make more informed conservation decisions within agricultural landscapes.